We moved here 4 years ago and the windows were terrible. So we decided, let's make a feature of the front of the house and make it really nice and change the colours to dark grey. It's just transformed the house. Like inside, everything was dark brown. All the window, it just made it so dark and depressing. And now we've got lovely, lovely windows, and everyone comments about the front area of the house with the feature because they think, oh, did you put that in? I said, no, this is what the house was like when we got it. But the window, the panes were like narrower, and I think it's just opened up the hall. The hall looks like really welcoming and big as well. It's lovely. We've extended our patio as well, and we've got the doors here. And I just feel it just lets so much light in as well, because obviously we've got the sun all day in the back garden, and we've got the ones in the kitchen, which is great just for access and for everyone, because it's a party house as well, and we like to entertain. and we've got the French doors in the bedroom as well, and it's lovely just to go out into the garden from the bedroom. It's just a really nice feature. I've heard of Sears Smith for many years, and it's a very good product. So getting the 10-year guarantee with the windows, you know, it sells itself, you know, and you're buying a quality product as well. The service that you got from him, like nothing was a problem at all. The guys that came out to fit the windows, they were so polite. Even, it was in the November, December time, and the rain, it was torrential rain, but they just carried on, they never stopped, so that we were happy, because it was cold as well, but very professional. I would recommend Sears Smith 1,000,000%. Absolutely. The service that you get before, during and after is just, it's first class.